Hey YouTubers, look what I got here. I finally got it all put back together and working, sorta. Have to pull it open, but it will open up to about 5 inches. Most of the time when you're using it, though, I imagine it'll be closing it. I never could get this bolt out. I put a nut on this side of it and just barely screwed it on and hammered it, and I was just messing up the bolt. I heated it all up with a torch, and I just kept working it open and closed until I got it to where I can use it. I mounted it on a piece of 1/2-inch plate. I got a 3-inch I-beam going down to a 36-inch circle of 3/4-inch plate. I burned a 1-inch hole in the plate for the foot. I just got it all welded and painted tonight. I didn't paint the vise. I'm going to put a coating of pine tar and linseed oil on it because I just like the look of the old iron. Let me bring you up for a closer look because it is in rough shape. There you can see a bunch of pits, but look how this is all pitted. It's pitted all up through here. This side's all pitted. It's in pretty rough shape, but I still like it. I can still move it, but it's pretty tough. That base weighs 210 pounds just by itself. So I close the vise so I don't get my fingers pinched. Put my foot on this side of that base and put everything I got into it. I can tip it up, then I just roll it like this to get it where I want it. Wasn't really where I wanted it. There we go. Looks like a nice home for it. Right there next to that vise, or right next to the anvil.